Shuttle train from Alpine, now arriving trackside. Shuttle train from Alpine, now arriving trackside.
You're all right.
How did you get it back?
You're trying to get me back in Huntsville. You're going about it the right way.
Well, I just wouldn't worry about it, Doc, because I can always get you out, you know? I mean, I can screw every prison official in Texas if I want to.
Texas is a big state.
I can handle it.
Yeah, I'll bet you can.
You'd do the same for me, Doc, wouldn't you? I mean, if I got caught, wouldn't you?
You don't like the way things are. I don't like the way things are.
Well, what are we gonna do about it?
Well, maybe we should split up. I'll cut up the money with you.
Do you mean that?
Yeah, I mean it.
Well, I don't want to.